Guys, I told y'all I was gonna come back with the me eating my with the chicken salad I made. Homemade chicken salad. You see that? So I'm about to eat. That's it. I'm just about to dig right on in, dive right on in, whatever you wanna call it. Mm. Lemonade. Mm. This is really good. Mm-hmm. Mm. It's very light. I'm gonna set that right there. Put the lid on it so no gnats and all that lingered in it. Mmm. Mmm. Them tomatoes taste so good in here. Juicy. My God. So good. Mm-hmm. I'm laughing at this couple on TV. They're forever pranking each other. They are some big time pranksters. They be pranking. They ought to be pranking each other. Always pranking each other. It's so funny. And y'all, when I tell you it's good, it's good. Yummy. Yummy. Oh, y'all, how rude of me not to offer y'all any. Here. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. I've been winning this for the last past week. Actually, 2 weeks. Mmm. 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 Big bite. Mmm. I'm gonna eat some more tonight. I like for it to sit overnight. But it's good. I'm gonna look in my freezer tonight because I want to cook tomorrow. So, mm, cook something. Got some chicken. Got hamburger. Spaghetti sauce, spaghetti noodles, Parmesan cheese, Texas toast, salad. I might be there. I got corn cob. I don't know. We're gonna see. I usually got fish. I can fry some fish and some shrimp, or just fish, to go with the spaghetti. Or make some chicken wings, deep fried chicken wings. Yep. Figure out something. Green beans. I think I got cornbread. I'm not sure. But who is this? No. Yep. Them tomatoes really taste good. And it's chicken salad. I just knocked my phone off again. They're probably thinking like, well, she just go ahead and scoop up that little bit up that one cracker. No, I'm not gonna do that. I got 2 crackers left here, so we're gonna make this little bit stretch. I'm not gonna do it. No. It worked. Hold on, y'all. Last bite. I probably won't eat them more tonight. I might later. Yeah. Oh yes, that was good. Woo! I'm gonna make me some Kool-Aid. Woo, that was good. Oh, that was so good. I wish I had some grapes. If I had some grapes, I'd put some grapes in here. It was so good. Where's the cherry one? I'm about to mix this up. In my water. These are so good too. Real good. Oh, too much. I typically like to mix mine with the cherry. It's so good. Cherry lemonade is just good to me, period. Just want to open it. Yo, yo, yo. Cherry. Y'all, my church went to the I don't know. I know it's this month that they are going to the Funny Bone. It's a Christian comedian that's going to be at performing, and I wanted to go, right? But I guess I waited too long to pay for the ticket, right? Because I had bills to pay. Like I just didn't have it. It was like $45, which wasn't much, but I was taking care of my bills, and then I had other things I had to do. But I think either they're going or they already went. I mean, they're not. They are going, but I'm not sure if they already went or I don't know if it's the end of the month, but they're going. I'm not sure. I think they already went. You know what? I think they might have went this past weekend. I'm gonna call somebody and find out. I think they went this past weekend, or it might be today. I think they said it was the 8th. Today the 8th. I think today's the 8th, ain't it? But anyways, they going to the Funny Bone. I was like, dang, I wanted to go, but like I said, I couldn't pay it. They had announced it like I think July they did, or maybe June. I think they made the first couple announcements in June. Then they made it again in July. And then the final announcement for everybody that was for everybody the deadline. They needed everybody to get their money in because they had already pre-ordered the tickets for the Funny Bone. I think she said they did it way back in June. They ordered them, and so they just did that, and then they had everybody pay them back. The church paid for the tickets, but everybody had to pay them back, or however, But anyways, I didn't make it, and I really wanted to go. It's always another time. I didn't know. I thought the Funny Bone. I never knew exactly where the Funny Bone was located. I thought it was in Columbus, but it's not. I think they're going to Cleveland. I think it's either Cleveland or Cincinnati. It's in Ohio, but it's not in Columbus. Yeah. So, it's in Ohio. It's either Cincinnati or Cleveland. Well, man, that would have been something really fun. I've never been to the Funny Bone. I ain't never been to the Funny Bone. That's something I want me and my girls to go to, and my daughters. I want us to go there. Probably, I don't know when, but I really want to go. Maybe go in November when we come back from Atlanta. hmm I ain't never been to Atlanta. My kids, they went. They've been there numerous of times. They go quite often, and we're going in October, Lord's willing. So, yeah, we're going in October, honey. I'm gonna throw it up. I'm buying me a pair of kicks. Your girl ain't wearing no heels, not even no wedge heels. We're wearing some. I'm gonna get me some nice black Nike Airs, something Jordans, whatever. I can't do no heels. Honey, I'm gonna have some cute little clothes, little outfits, but I ain't doing no heels. Yeah. Yep. So, well, I'm done here. I just wanted to keep my little word when I said I'm gonna come back after y'all see me making a chicken salad online and on video. I said I'm gonna come back and eat it for y'all. So I wanted to keep my word, even though I was tired. Still am about to lay back down here and finish watching something. I don't even know. But I got some peaches in there for my little dessert later on, and some sugar-free um, whipped cream, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna have that for my late snack. I may come back on camera and share that with y'all too. You know, ain't nothing big, but you just watch me eat my snack. What's wrong with that? Ain't nothing wrong with that, big. So let me go and get back comfortable, and I will talk to y'all later. So remember to do what? Dun, dun, comment, rate, subscribe, turn on your post notification button.